Morning, guys. Right now we are running to Volcano Bay and we are trying to get there, but I don't know if we're gonna make it. It's 8:30 right now and buses come every 30 minutes. So if you are trying to get to Volcano Bay early, because it gets to full capacity at like 9:45 is when the park opens at 9 for everyone else. So definitely wake up early, get yourself together early, and head down to the bus early because you don't know this stuff is gonna happen to you, and now we don't know if we're gonna get the bus. Wow. So right now we are entering Volcano Bay. I have my Tapu Tapu on.
Oh yeah, I know. I think that's the 7-second drop ride, right?
Yeah, they have rides up in the volcano. So we have a cabana.
Happy birthday, girl.
Happy birthday! Yeah!
Alright.
I love that. Yeah.
I didn't think we had a cabana. Wow. Very misty in here. Wow.
Oh, you touch it with your arm.
Oh, yeah, it's so pretty. Thank you.
Welcome and starting yourself, you guys.
For the day. For the
You're over here.
Ooh.
Ooh, took a ride.
Well, we could do our Tapu Tapu on here because we're in the cabana. Also, we could see all the rides. You don't have to leave. We could stay in here. And I think the Krakatoa is right. The Krakatoa is right here, guys. Krakatoa is right there, that green thing. So it goes down and it goes up. Thank you. Now you can see it says 20 minutes.
Mine says 15.
15. What does yours say?
20.
20.
The Krakatoa was the
How was it?
It was really good. You guys should definitely try this whenever you get here, okay?
And make sure you get a cabana because this is home base, so it's fantastic. We're really happy.
They just closed the lazy river because of lightning and stuff that's about to come. So now they're gonna start closing a bunch of the other rides. We did Krakatoa this morning, closing all the rides. Yeah. And Krakatoa is closed. Hanu is closed.
What if this still says this?
And now we really can't go on rides. So I realized that we did not really vlog around the park and the GoPro died. We're gonna take it on the little lazy river, but I will show you around to make up for it. So maybe Rachel's here. This is the Krakatoa that we're gonna do when it's open and not delayed.
It's like belly flop for days.
So that's it right there, and there's like more little dips and stuff in the back.
How is it?
Little volcano. All those tubes because of the ride is closed. That is pretty cool. Here's more of the cabanas. This one's like a 2-decker one. It looks like they opened up the rides. Yeah. Because people are going back and stuff. So right now we are about to leave. This is everyone. They have really pretty lights in here that came on. And we're about to head out to home. We're all walking to breakfast. I'm so tired from yesterday. I'm like literally look tired. Yeah, I didn't go to sleep until like midnight. But it's currently 10 a.m. and we are walking to breakfast. We have not had breakfast yet. Can this thing like, we had not had breakfast yet in the resort, and they have one on like the first floor of the hotel. So we're heading down there now. Rachel and Joshua said they're paying for everyone. It's not focusing. Are you very excited to pay for everyone?
No, everybody can see one thing.
Very dark. Got my Belgian waffle. Rachel got her stuff. Mom. Everyone's sitting around eating. So we're all getting ready to go to the pool right now. We're not going to our pool this time. We're going to Cabana Bay's pool. Cabana Bay has like, I think I saw 2 pools, and then they have another like lazy river. You can't see Cabana Bay from over here, but Cabana Bay is literally right across from our hotel, like across the street. Apparently there's a pathway that we can take to walk over there. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. It's my outfit of the day. Outfits of the day. I have this shirt that I just used to cover up, but it has like, I can't even show. And then I'm wearing same swimsuit that I wore yesterday, and then these pants that I always wear. It's so hot, guys. This is the hottest day like out of the whole trip. It is. It's supposed to be like 94
I'm gonna
today.
jump straight into that pool.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 94 today. The other days were like 80s and it was raining. So I think today's gonna be a really, really great day, and we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Oh, it's right there.
What type of security?
I know. I know. Look at the pool over here. This pool is so cool. There's the slide right there, the blue thing. It's like longer than the one at the other resort. It's very cool.
Yeah.
So we're looking at this hotel now, and it's very cute. We're heading to their lazy river. Rachel, how do you feel about this?
Cute. Like, I don't mind it. The slide looks really fun, so I want to go back and do that. And hopefully the lazy river isn't so lazy, but whatever.
I know. So when you come to like a different resort, you just have to go to the front and show your key, and then they'll make you a key so you can have access to the pools and stuff in here. So that's what we did, and now we have a card, and now we're heading to the lazy river. Here's the key. Okay, Rachel. Is it working? Yay!
We're in!
Okay, so we're walking back to the slide that we just saw, because we went to the little lazy river over there, and apparently your little raft things are $7 each, and there's 10 of us, and the lazy river does not look as good as it was at Volcano Bay. So we're just heading back now. We are back at our own hotel because, as you can see, oh, it's too bright. Sorry. But we're back at our own hotel now, as you can see over here. The other one, at first we really did like Cabana Bay, because we were debating it when we were coming here, and we actually like our hotel better. And I don't know, just the feel of Cabana Bay is way different than how it is at Sapphire. So we just like this one better. So we are chilling out at the pool. We just took a bunch of pictures. It was so pretty. But everyone's here.
Sweating.
I know. It's 95 and 94 degrees out here. But the view's pretty. The little palm trees. They just told us to get out of the pool for some reason. But we hope to go back in because it's really hot, and plus I wasn't finished with Joshua's little photo shoot that he was having. I know.
I need more photos.
I know, Joshua needs his photos. They came out really good so far though. Like, this is definitely a place to take pictures, and it's really, really, really nice. But I'm really, really, really hot. We ordered our stuff already, right? Our food?
We did. I got a burger, and we got an order of nachos, and
I ordered a Shirley Temple.
I think I might get a milkshake. I'm feeling vanilla, you know?
Yeah. Rachel and Joshua's nachos. Looks like a lot. And then we have some burgers over there, and right there. Yeah, we have a lot of burgers going out over there. Joshua, say hey. Okay, we're about to head out to go eat at City Walk for the last time. I'm wearing my Flawless t-shirt, shorts, and I finally washed my hair. It feels so good to finally get my hair washed. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. And so now we're heading out. We're about to head on to the water taxi.
Legally blind.
Okay. So right now we are at Red Oven in City Walk, and it looks like this. Just got my pizza. We sent in the whole thing. How is it, Brie? So it is our last night here, and we are taking our last little trail back back to the hotel. And instead of taking the ferry like we've done this whole trip, it's so like weird right now, sorry. We usually take the little ferry that comes across here, but there's been a pathway this whole time if we've never taken it. It's like only a mile, so we're taking it today. This trip doesn't feel that long though. It feels pretty good. Like after we ate pizza and all that, like walking, it doesn't really make me feel bad anymore. I feel like I'm working out a little. I don't know. How do you feel about the trail? You feel like it's too long?
I mean, it's not long, but I just don't like it. It's a lot of extra nonsense.
I mean, the ferry's like literally like a 5-minute little, probably less than 5 minutes. It's not even that long. The walk is definitely like more like a 5-10 minute walk back to your hotel.
Hurry up.
Why am I laughing? I have to turn the camera off. Turn the camera off.
Go brush your teeth.
Okay,
Pass that up right now. Pass that up tonight.
stop it.
She won't stop laughing.
You just messed up.
Alright guys, so right now it is midnight and we have to wake up for 8:30 to go and catch our car to go to the airport. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far, and I hope you guys enjoyed these vlogs. So sorry that I couldn't vlog on the rides, but that's just the rules. I can't really do much about that. So I just try to vlog as much as I can, and I really did have a great time with my family. This is actually my little birthday present for my parents, and it was really, really nice and really, really fun. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.